Those who, in debate, appeal to their qualifications, argue from memory, not from understanding. It had long since come to my attention that people of accomplishment rarely sat back and let things happen to them. They went out and happened to things. Nothing can be loved or hated unless it is first understood. As a well-spent day brings happy sleep, so life well used brings happy death. Marriage is like putting your hand into a bag of snakes in the hope of pulling out an eel. There are three classes of people: those who see when they are shown, those who do not see. The function of muscle is to pull and not to push, except in the case of the genitals and the tongue. As you cannot do what you want what you can do. One has no right to love or hate anything if one has not acquired a thorough knowledge of its nature. Iron rusts from disuse, stagnant water loses its purity, and in cold weather becomes frozen. Even so does inaction sap the vigors of the mind. All sciences are vain and full of errors that are not born of experience, the mother of all knowledge. It is easier to resist at the beginning than at the end. Time stays long enough for those who use it. I have offended God and mankind because my work didn't reach the quality it should have. A poet knows he has achieved perfection not when there is nothing left to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. I awoke only to find that the rest of the world was still asleep. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears, and never regrets. Once you have tasted the taste of sky, you will forever look up. He who does not oppose evil, commands it to be done. Obstacles cannot crush me, every obstacle yields to stern resolve.